For our main dish, we will serve Blackened local toothfish, which is I marinate already with some uh, Blackened seasoning, herbs. I put some lemon on the top, and then we will cook it in the oven like around 15 minutes. Yeah, so I will put the toothfish in the oven. So in next 15 minutes, it should be ready. So I put 185, and then I will set the time. Let's say we will put 15 minutes on the clock. There you go. Okay, we should grab some towel to able for you not to get burned, and then toothfish is ready. So I have prep beans here, which is I'm going to blanch again. So I have a boiling water ready. I just blanch the long beans for 10 seconds. So the long beans should be crispy and crunchy. I will put the beans on the edge on the plate, which is I'm using oval plate for our main dish. Then I will put the toothfish on the top of the beans. There you go. I grill a 2 king prawns, and then grill braised legs, include with our main, and then we have made pak choy dumpling. Yeah, so we have a pak choy dumpling here. There you go. Legs, braised grilled legs, prawns, there you go. With some garnish. So we have a lemon butter parsley cream sauce here. You need to pour on the top of the toothfish. There you go. And then a couple of drops of herbs, green herbs oil. And then our local toothfish ready to serve.